Hi, my name is Balasandra Chandru. I'm a customer success and training specialist from OpenLearning Global. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. Number one, how to create a course in OpenLearning. Number two, about rules and permissions. Okay, let's start on how to create a course in OpenLearning. To create a course, first open any browser and type openlearning.com, and that will open this our main OpenLearning website. Here, under your profile icon, click create a course, and that will lead to this page called create a new course. Here you need to type your institutions, course name, and course URL. So in my case, I'm going to create under this institution called Chandru Studio, and then you need to type your course name. So as you can see, when I type my course name, course URL is automatically generated, but it shows this X icon. It means this URL has been taken, so I cannot use this URL. So you need to you need to put like a numbers or word to make it unique. Then after that, double check again your institutions, course name and course URL. And if everything is okay, click create a course. Wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes, and your course will be created, and you will receive an email saying your course has been successfully created. You also can find a newly created course under the course section, the one I'm showing in the screen. So now I want you to try create your own course. So pause this video and try to create at least one course. The floor is yours. So how that went? So after you created your own course, your course will look like this, very empty, and also it's currently offline, right? Okay, now I'm going to share about roles and permission. When you're creating a course or under the course level, we have total 5 roles which you need to be know of. Okay, so what is that 5 roles? The first one is course administrator. Let's say you're creating a course. Automatically, you are course administrator. A course administrator has the highest access and pretty much can access anything in the course level. The second role is actually a facilitator. All right. A person you assign as a facilitator only can facilitate the course. He or she cannot edit the course content. The third role is actually assessor. Assessor is someone who's going to be assess your students' work based on the assessment report that created by assessment designer, which is the fourth role. The final role is actually your students. Okay, anyone who's going to be students is your final and fifth role. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to invite these roles, your staff member to your course. To invite your staff member, first, number one, go to course that you created, okay, and then click under the course setup, click staff roles. Again, let's say, as I said earlier, if you created a course, automatically you are the course administrator. So if let's say you want to invite your colleague or friends as a course administrator, you can do it so here. So I want to invite my friend, type the email ID, and then you can invite anyone by using this method. Let's say you want to invite or add anyone as a facilitator or assessor or assessment designer, you need to do it here. So type again the email ID. The email ID is the one that they use to create OpenLearning account. And then assign the roles by clicking the box under each role section. So if let's say you want to remove a person, just click the X icon. So this is how you invite your colleague or friend to edit your course. So I want you to try this at your own. Pause this video and try to invite 1 or 2 person to become a course administrator or course staff. The floor is yours. So how that's went? I hope you already created one course and also assign your friends or colleague as a core course administrator. So let's say if you have any problem or any issue when you designing a course or editing a course, you can always come back to Open Learning main help community section, go through our articles like roles and permission and also course creator guides. And you also can reach to us via email, mobile number, or even through chat. Okay, I hope this video helped you start getting your courses ready. So till next time, bye.